Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I did want to say, please remember to give me a like, subscribe, and comment. The weekend was fantastic, and previously you guys been doing great. You guys have been giving me a bunch of likes and stuff, and it's super easy. All you gotta do is just click that little thumbs up button, and it really does help out. The algorithm push my videos out to people that would enjoy it just like you guys. But with that being said, GameStop is at $30, and it's popping. It popped from $28 on Friday to now to $30 pre-market, and I'm pretty happy about this because I actually ended up buying back in the GameStop last week. This is the small portfolio that I'm trying to grow on my Webull. I started with around $3,000. I grew it to $6,000. It dropped to 500, and then I grew it back to $5,000, which is kind of nutty. But I am expecting GME to keep running. Most of my portfolio right now from Webull is in GameStop. I think it's around, maybe I'd say 75% of it, really 3,500 of it is all this. I do expect this to be over 100% gain at market open. I'm thinking about maybe selling some of it at open, maybe 50% of it to get my initial investment back, and then let everything else ride till the next. I think these expire November 11th, so I have two more. I have 2 more weeks on this, right? These expire next Friday, so I can probably let these run for a little bit longer. But we just hit $30, and that is absolutely ridiculous to me. As of right now, target for GameStop is $37, right? Initial target right now. As soon as we broke this, right? Next target is actually going to be probably $32. Sorry, apologies. Next target will probably be somewhere on the lines of $32. After 32, let me add this because this should be, yeah, it'll be around like this, like 32.30. That's probably going to be next target. After 32 breaks, we're probably headed towards $37. And after $37 breaks, we're probably $37. We're probably headed to 40, and then more than likely somewhere to like 44, 47 or so. I'm surprised I don't have. I thought I had like better. This is weird. I feel like I need to redo my targets right now. And we are on the 3rd week of the market close, which is pretty insane. Oh wait, so I guess I already had a target. Target is $50. Target is $50 by December 19th, which is pretty fantastic. I guess I already had this target placed out, so there you go. I'm just using what past Tony did. So that being said, we're GameStop spotter break $31. As of right now, I would definitely be comfortable buying more. I'm probably gonna buy more calls in the morning. I'm probably gonna use my Robinhood fund a little bit in my Robin portfolio to buy a couple of GameStop calls for December 19th, because I do think $50 is definitely pretty probable at this point, especially after breaking 30, which is 120 pre-split. And then we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.